Only have 13 days. That's more than enough to fall in love with Vietnam. From its misty mountains to tropical beaches, ancient heritage to modern flavors. Vietnam isn't just a place, it's a feeling. A land where every turn reveals a new flavor, a new rhythm, a new memory. This 13-day itinerary is crafted for those who want to go beyond the guidebooks, to see, to feel, and to truly connect. Land in Hanoi, the timeless capital where banyan trees cast long shadows over ancient pagodas and buzzing alleys. Let the city introduce itself slowly. Check in, breathe in the calm, and take an evening stroll around Hoan Kiem Lake as the sun dips behind the rooftops. Begin your day at the Temple of Literature, Vietnam's first university. Then visit the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum and nearby relics of the nation's past. By midday, dive into the cafe culture with a bold egg coffee at one of Hanoi's best-loved spots. In the afternoon, stroll Train Street as the city hums to life, or unwind by West Lake under soft golden light. Set sail into the surreal beauty of Ha Long Bay. Towering limestone karsts, floating villages, emerald waters. Paddle through caves. Enjoy fresh seafood on deck, and spend the night aboard a traditional wooden boat under a sky full of stars. Wake up surrounded by still waters and soft morning light. After breakfast, continue exploring Lan Ha Bay before cruising back to shore. Return to Hanoi and enjoy a relaxed dinner. Perhaps pho or bun cha from a street corner that stood for decades. Fly south to Hue, Vietnam's poetic imperial capital. Visit the ancient Citadel and Tien Mu Pagoda. Then dine in a peaceful garden restaurant with traditional music and dishes once served to emperors. Cruise the Perfume River to visit royal tombs like Khai Dinh and Minh. Enjoy a local lunch of Bon Coi and Nem Lui. Then browse Dong Ba Market for spices, silk, and conical hats, all echoing Hue's delicate charm. Take the legendary Hai Van Pass to Da Nang, where mountains meet the sea. Stop at Lap and Lagoon for fresh seafood and sweeping views. Then arrive at My Khe Beach for a golden afternoon of swimming and relaxation. Start your day at the Marble Mountains, a spiritual cluster of caves and pagodas carved into stone. Then visit the Da Nang Museum of Cham Sculpture or stroll the Dragon Bridge. As night falls, enjoy seafood by the beach or visit the bustling night markets. Arrive in Hoi An, a place where time seems to pause. Wander through ancient merchant houses, tailor your dream outfit. Taste Ka Lo or Bon Bao Bon Vac, and release a floating lantern on the river as dusk sets in. Ride a bicycle through Tra Kue Herb Village. Learn to grow, harvest, and cook with local ingredients. Later, enjoy a Vietnamese cooking class and spend the afternoon unwinding at An Bang Beach. Arrive in Ho Chi Minh City, a dynamic mix of modernity and history. Visit the Notre Dame Cathedral, the Central Post Office, and the War Remnants Museum. Then sip cocktails from a rooftop bar as neon lights bloom over the skyline. Explore the Cu Chi tunnels, an immense underground network that once shielded thousands. Return to the city and eat your way through a guided street food tour. From Bon Sao to Cam Tam, each bite tells a story. Enjoy your last hours in Vietnam at a local cafe, sipping strong milk coffee. Browse souvenirs at Ben Ton Market or simply sit and watch the city flow around you. Your journey ends, but Vietnam's spirit travels with you. "13 days, from quiet mountain trails to vibrant markets and coastal light." If you're ready to experience Vietnam your way, we're here to help craft the journey of a lifetime.